Proverbs 4 verse 13. Take fast hold of instruction. Let her not go, keep her, for she is thy life. So that's a message of the Lord for you today, that He wants you to keep His instructions in your life. He doesn't want you to leave His instructions, but to live in His instructions, live in His will, to live in His peace, and to live in His goodness. That's the message of the Lord for you today. Thanks for watching my video. God bless you all.